Have you ever wondered what truly makes someone a master of their craft? Is it talent, looks, or some secret strategy that only the rich know? No. Real greatness doesn't come from a formula. It's an art. And today, I'm going to share that art with you. Are you ready to go on a journey that could change the way you live and work? Let's begin. Step 1. Honor the craft. Everyone wants to be great, but very few actually respect their work. They try to study while scrolling, chase mastery while multitasking, and expect perfection while being distracted. But excellence is not an act. It's a devotion. If you truly want to be outstanding, even the smallest of tasks should be done with care. Whether anyone is watching or not, whether there's applause or silence, keep giving your best. Just like a child polishing his shoes with pride, thinking they'll be worn at a wedding. That kind of love for your work creates greatness. Step 2. Fall in love with the basics. Create a foundation so strong that nothing can shake it. Look at the legends in sports, business, or art. None of them chased shortcuts. They fell in love with the fundamentals. Tiger Woods, even after becoming the greatest golfer, still practiced the basics every morning, simple putting. Michelin star chefs still sharpen their knives every single day. Hokusai, Japan's most revered artist, created over 30,000 artworks. But the world remembers one, the Great Wave off Kanagawa. Because true greatness is shaped in the shadows, not the spotlight. Step 3. Master repetition. Celebrate the process, not just the result. Everyone wants their moment to go viral, but true mastery means doing the same thing again and again. Even when it's dull, even when you're tired, even when no one claps. Greatness comes when you draw the same line 1,000 times. Not for perfection, but for practice. It's not about being right once. It's about having the strength to keep correcting again and again. So what's the real secret? It's becoming that person who sticks with the work long after everyone else has quit. Who paints the picture again and again. Not for praise but for excellence. Who rewrites the script until every word speaks with purpose. Who stays back when others leave. And if you feel like you're still not good enough, then congratulations. You are exactly where the journey begins. Greatness isn't fast food. It's a slow-cooked legacy. Pick up the brush today. Write one line. Take that small, imperfect step. One day, this may become your masterpiece. If you feel average, remember, greatness is a decision. A daily choice. A deep obsession. So respect your craft. Do the basics. Repeat with love. Repeat with patience. Because the one who repeats rewrites destiny. Create your wave. And let the world watch it rise. If you made it this far and felt the power in this message, show some love with a like. You're incredible. Keep learning. Keep evolving. Keep going. Thank you for being here.